Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the WhatsApp proxy shopping module. So if you have enabled WhatsApp notifications for your store, you'll be able to use the proxy shopping module to send pre-populated shopping carts to your customers via WhatsApp. So before you can access the WhatsApp proxy shopping, we first need to ensure that we have enabled the WhatsApp notifications module. So for us to do this, we navigate to the store management section and select settings. So in the settings section here, we select modules. All right, so here we proceed to choose the marketing and conversion category. So in the marketing and conversion category section, we go ahead and search for WhatsApp notifications. All right, so you can see the module here. So once we access the module, we go ahead and install it. So after we install the module, we come here and click on the edit button here. So in the edit page, this is where we will now set the WhatsApp notifications module settings. So for the module to be active, we need to ensure that we enable this status option, right? And then we need to provide the access token and instance ID. So to get this information, we need to have a WA client account. For this, I have included the link to a video guide on how to set up the WhatsApp notifications module. So once we have completed the setup of this module, for us to be able to use the proxy shopping module, we navigate to the store management section here, scroll down to the sales channel section, and then in the sales channel section, we go ahead and select proxy shopping here. All right, so you notice that in the proxy shopping page, a new entry called WhatsApp shopping cart has been added. So we go ahead and select it. All right, so this is where we can now go ahead and compose the message that we will send to the customer, and also include the products that will be added to the shopping cart when the customer accesses the message on WhatsApp. So to compose the message that will be sent to the customer, we come here and select settings. So here is where we can now compose the WhatsApp message that will be sent, which will include the shopping cart link that the customer will click to be able to process the order. So what we do next is, after we have edited this, we can leave this as it is, or we go ahead and edit it. So once we edit here, we come back to the send message section here. So let's enter the WhatsApp number. So make sure that you enter the country code. So we add the number. All right, so this is the first number. If you want to add additional numbers, we put a comma here. So for the second number, we say all right, so you can add more numbers by separating each number with a comma. So after we've added the WhatsApp numbers, here we go ahead and select the currency for the product. So for the product price, we select the dollar currency. We select the language. So we proceed and add the products. So this will be the first product the quantity, and then we add it. So once we add it, we wait for it to load. So it has added the product to the cart. So we enter the second product, set the quantity as 1, add it. All right. So we can add as many products as we want here. So any product we add here will be available in the customer's shopping cart. So after adding all the products here, we now proceed and click on the send message button here. All right. So once we click this button, the customer will receive the message on WhatsApp and can now proceed to process the order by clicking the shopping link that was sent with the customer's message. So in this video, I've shown you how to use the WhatsApp proxy shopping module. Thank you for watching.